Hello everyone, welcome back to Express VTU for all. In this video, we will understand the need of normalization and explain second normal form and third normal form with example. So this is a very important question for exam point of view. So let's start with the definition. Normalization is the process of organizing data in a database to reduce redundancy and eliminate anomalies like insertion, deletion and update anomalies. So let's understand the need of the normalization. So our first one is minimizing redundancy. It reduces duplication of data and save storage spaces. Second one is preventing anomalies. It avoids inconsistent during insert, delete and the update operations. Now move to third one, which is providing structural design. It uses keys and functional dependency to design a proper database. Now let's move to the second normal form or 2NF. So a relation is in 2NF if it is already in 1NF and every non-prime attribute is fully dependent on the entire primary key. This mainly applies when we have a composite primary key. The condition is that there should be no partial dependency. Now let's see an example. Here we are considered a relation of employee project with attribute SSN, P number, ename, pname and R. The primary key is a combination of SSN and PN number. Here ename depends only the P number and R's. Second one is EP2 with ESN and ename. Third one is employee number 3 with P number, P name and the P location. Now let's move to the third normal form. A relation is in 3NF if it is 2NF and there is no transitive dependency. That means non-prime attribute should not depend on the other prime attribute. Let's take an example for the better understanding. Consider employee department with attribute SSN, ename, D number, D name and D manager SSN. Here SSN is the primary key, but D name and DMN name depend on D number and D number depend on the SSN. This creates a transitive dependency. So we decompose the relation. First ED1 with SSN, ename and number. Now the relation is in 3NF. So this is the conclusion. Normalization helps in reducing redundancy and improving database design, and 2NF and 3NF remove partial and transitive dependency. So this is how you have to explain in the examination along with the proper example to get the full marks. If you want these notes, the link of the WhatsApp channel and Telegram channel is given in the description box. You go and check it from there. So thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe Express VTU for all.